Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this PHINOX Underbed storage containers. This is a 2-pack. Let's get these out here. I think there might be some assembly required. Okay, we got some instructions here. I think I might be able to assemble it right here. That's it for that. Okay, what do we got going on here? We got the 2-piece B, A, B, and 4 pieces of that. Probably can't be that complicated, right? So this is the bags are nicely marked here. A2, 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 and A2. There's our little wheels. And we got this, so we've got 2 of these bags. So step 1, align the hole, press the snap into place. Okay, so it wants me to assemble this portion first, so we'll do that. Okay, super easy. Looks like no tools required here for this. Just has that little hole, just snap those in. That's kind of nice. Just push this little button down here and it goes in and the spring retracts and goes right into there. Make sure that your holes here and the top are lined up so your wheels will go in there. You don't want them down here on this side and up on the other side. Okay, it was a little bit more tricky. There we are. And then we'll put the wheels on there. So storage bags are nice to roll under the bed. A lot of times that's just wasted space under there. And so it's nice to be able to take advantage of that. And a lot of times you don't want to put stuff directly on the floor. We have concrete floors, so it can actually get a little moisture there if there's no kind of a barrier. So these are kind of nice, keeps your belongings off the floor. And because I have concrete floors, I can just slide this up and down. All right, this is the most difficult part, is just these, because they have this little screw part at the top, and they're just difficult to get a grip on because you can't really grip the top because the wheel rotates on there, so you're kind of wound up just kind of rotating with your fingers. This comes with a little screw there. I actually did that one pretty good there. So if you can get them in there, you kind of turn them like this with your fingers, possibly the thumb, and there we go. I had some before. I did an unboxing or assembly on some. They literally, I'm not even joking, it took me I think it was 10 minutes to put the stupid things in. I just couldn't. And the way they were situated, the little wrench they gave me, I could only do a little quarter of a turn. It was just, oh my goodness. It was almost one of the most frustrating things ever. Okay, so there's there. We're going pretty good. Actually, that's not too bad. We'll get this other one in there. That one's going in nice and quick, actually. There we go. All right, so there's one frame. And once we got the frame on there, then the storage bag here. All right, looks like this is the part that goes into the bottom of the bag there. And then we have this portion here. It's got a clear front on it. Okay. So, get this out of the way. Okay, now that we have that, let's see, how does it say to do it? pretty much put it down like this. And then we got Velcro here along the bottom, and that's going to just go around there so we get our little frame in here. Set that in there. Just kind of push this around so it's all around there. There we go. Then we get our Velcro, put one side under and the other side over. That's just going to hold it in place nicely. Okay, make sure we get that tucked under there nicely. Okay, now we can just put on our Velcro there. And we're just going to work our way around here. There's another one. Okay, so kind of got a method going on now. Just slide that first one under and the other Velcro comes around over the top. Kind of cinch that into place there. All right. Okay, we'll get the last one on here. There we go. And we just turn this over. And this portion goes in the bottom there. Just unfold that. Just like this. It has a little loop on the side. You can keep that up there. And push that down the bottom. Okay. All right. Just got a nice little zip top here as well, and a little handle in the front, so that's going to be able to be secured. And zip that up as well. So whether you want it to go in this way or this way, no problem, because it's got handles on the front. So I'm going to assemble the other one real quick, and we'll show you how it works there under the bed. All right. So once again, let's try to do this real quick here. Now that I've experienced it, we don't have that other stuff in the way there. Put our wheels up. There we go. This one in there. I suppose I should do one side first. It'd be a little difficult if I had both sides on there. Just get one side in, and then kind of work them down simultaneously, and then push them both in. There we go. And come on, little guy. It just doesn't want to pop up there. Okay, I think that's good enough though. Just needs to rotate it, I think. Okay, put a little bit of elbow grease on that one. No problem though. We have, oh, it gave us a second wrench. Now we just make sure that these, oh, perhaps, should be all right. Oh no. I'm gonna make sure these go in go in straight, or else of course they're going to be a little bit off. Don't want to have to, if you can't hand tighten them all the way in, there might be a little bit, the threads might be off a little bit, so you don't want that. So you should be able to screw them in all the way down to the metal there, just with your hands. There you go. Oh, maybe that's the way to do it. We were rolling there for a second. All right. And one more after this one. I'm just glad that these wheels didn't take forever, and they have little stoppers on them too, so you can lock them in place, so that's kind of cool. One more to go. There we are. All right. And if you want to tighten these down with a wrench, you can do that. I recommend tightening by hand first and then use a wrench just on that the very last part. Okay. It would be better if I don't know, we'll just stick with what seemed to work last time pretty good. Like that. Seemed to work all right. If it's not broken, don't fix it. Okay. Get that off. There's one. Two. Three. Okay, go over to this end, put the Velcro, I put the bottom one around the bottom and then get that other one over the top there. Seems to work out pretty well. And you want the sticky one, the one with the little burrs on it going over the top, and the other one, the softer one, comes up underneath the bottom. That's what I've been doing, so. Okay, now I'm going to flip it over. Put our little compartment in the bottom. And there we have it. Seems fairly sturdy here. And we'll put some clothes in there and show you guys what it looks like when we put it in a bedroom. Alright my friends, so here we go. Sold actually quite a bit, and then I like how this covers, it zips up on the top. That way you keep all the, if there's any dust or anything like that, it's going to keep all your clothes nice. And make sure you have at least over 8 inches space under the bed, and that can just slide right under there just like that. You can also put it sideways if you want to. And look, there's a cat in there. So lots of space. I like how you could put actually 2 back under there or more. Plenty of storage. So if you need a little extra storage and you have room under your bed and you want to keep it nice and dust free, this also has a little place where you can put this little tag here, so you can mark what's in there if you wanted toys or stuffed animals or something in there also, or a cat. But yeah, great idea, my friends. Pretty sturdy they seem to. Roll nice and easy on the cement there, and it works really well. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.